All right, so today we are working on a 212 EIS. This is actually out of a 2012 Mercedes CLS550. It came in with no IR, so we've got it hooked up to VPDI right now, and we're just going to show you a quick demonstration on how we find out if this switch has IR or not. We're going to hit read EIS data. Okay, that data is already here. We just read it. And we're going to do a test EIS. Hit start. Hit OK. Here is the key. This key is good. We read it already. And you're going to see on the big screen up here that there's no CAN status. See right here that there is no CAN status. There should be a check here, but we've got no CAN status, and that's because this switch has no IR, and we can turn it and all the way to the crank, and you can see that it lights up only the mechanical status. So mechanically it knows that we're turning the key. It's not communicating on the CAN bus, and that's because there's no IR detection. This switch basically as far as the CAN network, it doesn't know that the key has been inserted into the switch. So in this case, we need to replace the EIS and the key because we're not able to get a key password from a switch with no IR. Why? Because we use an infrared key to extract the key password from a switch. And since it has no IR function, we can't do that. So we can't get the key password from this, but since we can't get one, he needs a new key and a switch. So we did that already. We cloned a switch for this gentleman here. Let me unplug this old switch. And I'm gonna plug in the donor switch here. Sorry about that. It's not that this is a secret, I'm just plugging this in. I just don't have enough hands. So here's the donor switch now plugged in, okay? And I've already cloned it, so it's got the same data as that one. If you go back and rewind, you can see that the VIN is the same, and the data here is the same, the special key is the same, the SSID is the same. Okay, as I was saying, I had to make a new key. So here's our new key. This is a BE type key, and we're going to stick it into the clone, and we'll see CAN status. So let's get ready for that. Let's do the test. We'll hit start, and we're just going to stick the key into the ignition switch. And you can see right away on the big screen here that we've got CAN status. And I'll turn the key, and you see we've got CAN status on 15R. On 15, that's circuit 15, that lights up the dashboard. And then of course circuit 50 is the starter. So that would be the car cranking and starting. All right. And that's how we do it. 2012 CLS 550. That's a fast one. I think they got the M278 engine in this one. That one's going to be a lot of fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.